Hey beauties! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing something super exciting with you all. My simple 10-minute makeup routine that has stood the test of time. These are the tried and tested products that I've been using for ages and absolutely swear by. With them, I've created various different makeup looks. But today, I'll be sharing with you a simple 10-minute makeup look. If you want to see winning combinations of products for different kinds of makeup looks, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to read and answer all your comments. So, if you're always on the go like me and need a quick makeup fix that's reliable and stunning, then keep on watching because I've got you covered. Let's start with the eyes. For that perfect budget-friendly pop of gold, I always turn to the Pupa Vamp eyeshadow in gold. They have a range of shades, but this one is my absolute favorite. It's stolen me plenty of compliments. And don't worry about the new packaging. The gold shade is still as gorgeous as ever. But if I'm feeling a little fancy, I reach for the Dior Mono eyeshadow in silver shade number 45. It's sleek, stunning, and adds just the right amount of shimmer to your eyelids. Next, we're moving on to eyeliner. And for that classic look, I always reach for my MAC Eye Kohl in Smolder. This pencil is just the right balance of softness and firmness, making it perfect for defining the waterline. Plus, if you're aiming for a more dramatic look, you can smoothly apply it to the upper lash line for added intensity. Now, what's a makeup look without a killer mascara, am I right? My go-to pick is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. It gives my lashes that perfect curl and volume without any clumping. Trust me, your lashes will thank you for this one. Moving on to blush, bronzer, and highlighter, for all that, I often use only one product. The J.Lo Beauty That Star Filter Complexion Booster in Warm Bronze. This stuff is magic in a bottle, giving my skin that radiant, sun-kissed glow all year round. Whether you wear it alone or mix it with your foundation, you'll be glowing like J.Lo herself. Last but certainly not least, let's talk lips. For a long-lasting, vibrant look, I always turn to Max Factor Lipfinity Liquid Lipstick. And let me tell you, they have some stunning shades. Some of my personal favorites are So Glamorous 125, Spicy 70, Vivacious 40, Endlessly Mesmerizing 210, Frivolous 108, and Glowing 16. With such a wide range of shades, you'll definitely find the perfect match for any look. This lipstick has been my ultimate beauty secret for years. And the best part? It's a total steal. Get ready to slay every look with these stunning shades without breaking the bank. And there you have it, friends. My simple 10-minute makeup routine featuring the products that have been staples in my routine for years. I hope you enjoyed this video and found some new favorites to add to your collection. If you've tried any of these or have your favorites, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more makeup tips and recommendations. See you in the next one.